Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing another synthetic wig. She is perfect for the fall. The only thing I would say that I don't like is that she is a T-part, but besides that, she is ready to wear and is already pre-plucked. I like to do my own plucking, so I'm going to still go in and customize it, as you guys are going to see. But I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see how it turns out. I love you guys. I thank you for all your support. I thank you for all the subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'll see y'all. I really don't know how to pronounce her name. It's supposed to be Begonia. I'm gonna put a picture up so you guys can see, but she is in the color Amber Sunset. And this wig, as y'all can see, is really pre-plucked very nicely already. But again, the plucking is appreciated, but I like to do my own. And then here she is. This is the color. Very beautiful, very soft, guys. And so let's go ahead and just start plucking.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live.
Okay guys, this is the wig after I finished plucking. I didn't pluck the sides that much because, I don't know, I just didn't. And here she is, and now I'm finna just go ahead and put her on my head and cut the lace and do the edges.
Times wrong. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I hadn't called in. Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in a parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but I...
You should have. Why didn't you?
Because you know what? I didn't think it was a big deal in the first place, and then I was kind of embarrassed. How do I say it to you without looking like...
Guilty? White Derek.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, watch me go up.
Y'all, I'm back and I got my dress on that I ordered to match it. You know, it really don't match, but I think the colors complement each other well. But anyways, back to the wig. Now I already cut the ear tabs off camera, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and you already know I'm gonna go in with my cream foundation and go ahead and put it around my hairline, and then I'm gonna cut the
I'm back and I'm better than they. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish, like I'm 17. Ain't just bought a new whip, blow me gasoline. I just seen your new bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, flex on my legs, in my model X. Flex on my legs, in my model X. Flex on my, yeah, flex on my, back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene, under you. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back up on my bullshit. I'm back up on the scene.
Alright, y'all, I had to finish cutting my lace off camera because my storage and my phone, it just, yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with bean spray one more time and then go ahead and start on my edges.
Yeah. Work. See me, I be work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it
just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
She send me up there, work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that, work. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my church.
Yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Guys, here is the wig. She is beautiful. I love it. Even though it's a teapot wig, I love it. Definitely go get y'all this wig, guys, because this is so cute.
I just called a shorty up.